Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So do you want to make this PowerPoint slide with just a few steps in just 4 minutes? Let me show you how to make it. But first, be sure to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get more videos like these as soon as I publish them. And don't forget to comment down to let us know about your opinions. Also, you can join a Patreon to get more amazing stuff for free. Literally for free. You can get any of the stuff like PowerPoint templates and other things for free. So, let's start the video. So, first of all, you have to open up a blank slide, go to format, background, and you have to change the background to a picture. And you have to give it a transparency like this. Now you have to close the format background and you have to add a rectangle right here and duplicate it 3 times and put them side by side. There you go. Let's remove this one for now and select all of those and group them and decrease their width. And let's ungroup them and select one of them and duplicate it and place it right here to fill the size and to make equal 4 rectangles. There you go. Now what you have to do next is select all of them and that's it. Now select this one. Let me just adjust it to equal distance. Decrease its width a little bit and let's place this one right here. And let me copy all the text for my previous slide and the icons and other stuff. And let's go back to our template and paste it right here. And there you go. That's how it looks. Now I'm gonna add a line right here between these first 2 rectangles. And I'm gonna press Ctrl G to duplicate it and then put it onto the area between the second and the third rectangles. There you go. Duplicate it again and put it between the last third and the fourth rectangles. There you go. Now let's go to format shape and let's increase its width and give it gradient of white and white. And there you go. Let's change the angle and let's move the gradient stops and adjust them. Now let's give it transparency and that's how it looks. Do all of these settings for all of these lines. There you go. I'm gonna remove the outlines and let's select the text icon and the rectangles and fill them with a picture that I have used in the background. Now select all of the stuff that lies onto the rectangle and group it. This way you have 4 things onto your entire template. There you go. I'm gonna select all of them. The text, the heading, and the icons, and the line as well. And I'm gonna group it by pressing Ctrl G. And that's it. So here goes the last one. And all are now grouped. Let's select all of them and let's change their names. There you go. And 1, 2, and 3, and 4, let's name them these. That's it. Now let's close all the panels and give them animations from left and let's give them time. That's it. Let's adjust their animations and give them smooth gap. And that's how it looks. Be sure to subscribe my channel for more.